Hello everyone, we are now going to give you the demo on GeoFed-Cervix AI-powered precancer diagnosis app. It's a web app which is not only predicting the cervical precancer but also can generate the patient-friendly explanations combining AI-based multimodal data analysis. Now we will see the admin portal basically. So if we go there, we are going to fill up the username first. Here we are giving the username as admin, and then we will put up the corresponding password. Followed by that, we will make the sign. So once you go there, you can see the doctor directory is present there. Where already there is one name, and if the admin wants to register a new doctor, he or she will fill up the data details, like for example, Doctor Y, then the email ID, sorry, then username, and then for a corresponding email ID. The username we are giving D002, email ID you are giving D002@gmail.com. Then, for example, we are putting the password, and then definitely we'll confirm the password by putting the same password. Doctor specialization you can put there, like here we are giving the oncology as per the domain requirement. So then we click on the doctor registration, and you can see the message has appeared. Doctor registration has been done successfully. So as you can see in the doctor directory, it is showing Dr. Y in the hospital administration plan. Now the administrator may log out from his system or her system. Then if we go back to the home, we can see and the doctor login portal. So here doctor may uh, do complete his or her login with the corresponding username and password. Once the login is done successfully, as you can see, it is the doctor dashboard. So for example, upload diagnostic data, register new patient, view patient report. These options are available along with the quick action options like chat with patients, manage appointment, etc. So, for example, for a new patient, doctor will click on the registered new patient option and will put up the patient name. Okay, like here we are giving XYZ for instance. Then also the email ID xyz@gmail.com for instance. And then obviously there are options like age. So here we are giving the age 28. Then, for example, we can put the patient username. We are giving the patient username P0002 and corresponding password. We are giving some password, and then we are confirming the same password for registering the patient. So once the this process is complete, we will click on the register patient option. Okay. So after clicking on it, the passage will appear like register patent successfully. And then once it is done, patient registration is done successfully, then we will go for the next option, that is the cancer cervical precancer prediction option. So we will fill up the patient username. Okay, after filling up the patient username, there are two options: uploading the DIC image and spectral data. So first we will go for uploading the DIC image. Okay, so we are basically trying to select the DIC image, okay, from our data set. So basically, once we are giving that, then we will also click on the upload spectral data. Then spectral data here, we will also go to the data set and we will upload the required spectral data. Okay. So once it is done, now we will see that we click on the start analysis and you will see that what type of the prediction is coming up. Running AI analysis is going on. As you can see, grade 1, 99.95%. It is showing 85% as the confidence level. So it's a good confidence level. And as you can see, the already prediction, app-based prediction is given there. Some write-up, suggesting write-up is there. So basically, followed by doctor's note and advice is also visible. So it's basically a mild diaplastic changes in the lower part of the epithelium. So tissue architecture-wise, you can see it's a minimal architectural disruption with some loss of the stratification, as you can see. So in general, if we want to see the bilingual option, so you can write in Hindi. So the Hindi version of the app suggestion will appear in front of you. Okay. So you can also, for example, check out the doctor note and advice where it is edited. If doctor wishes, he or she can edit that particular note and advice. So downloading report and saving and sharing report, these options are also available. Okay. So after completing this particular step, what will happen that the doctor may, you can check that there are certain quick action options available. So view report, manage appointment, or the chat with the patient. This type of the things are available there. Okay, so this is the patient report. Okay, so as you can see, you can check out the full report of the patient. Okay, entire details, technical analysis, and all the details are given there. Okay, for example, in the multimodal cases, what is the confidence level for the images? What is the confidence level for the spectra? And how the overall multimodal fusion outcome has come up. So every details is given there. Okay, then message patient option is also available. So in that case, if you select the mass patient name here, we have given the name XYZ. So with doctor, there can be multiple patient options. So here only single entry is there. So that's why, as per the requirement, doctor is trying to convey the patient about the oral diagnosis report and advising her for the appointment. So the point is that there can be multiple names. So as per your requirement, you will select the patient name. Okay. So that type of a select option we have given there. So here doctor is typing, check your medical report. Okay. And then doctor is basically will advise the patient, please book the appointment. Okay, that is important for the further diagnosis purpose. So message has been sent successfully. Now what will happen? Doctor will come out of his dashboard and now patient will try to make the login into the system. So patient is filling up the username and their corresponding password. Okay. He sees login into the system and it is the patient dashboard. Second. So as you can see, there are options are available. Screening result is given there. Dr. Y and the corresponding grade patient the report can be downloaded here. Okay. So as you can see, we are giving you the demo how the report will look like. Report along with the report date, time, patient ID, doctor name, and doctor name. Okay, corresponding the prediction results and doctor assessment and recommendation. Everything is available there. So this is how you can check out for the patient report. Okay. So once it is done, you can see there are options like book upcoming appointments. Okay, so if the patient can book the appointment. So this is the how the appointment will happen. We are showing you. So Dr. Y, we are clicking Dr. Y, and then we are putting the dates. Appointment is, for instance, patient want to take the appointment on 18 November, and the time, preferable time may be 9 a.m. So accordingly, she will fill it up and purpose for treatment she is writing and she is clicking on the request for the appointment. Okay. And then she is going to the chat with doctor option, and what she is doing, she is basically going to write that I have booked the appointment. Our appointment has been done. Now after the full stop, she is what she will type. So now once the message has been sent, so the common query often we come across that the fees of the doctor. So now she is typing, may I know your fees? Okay, so message sent successful. So once it is done, now patient may log out for our system. Okay, now we can check it out about how the doctor will respond to the queries. So that we are going to now check that type of demonstration here. So corresponding user ID and password, doctor is going back to his or her dashboard, and then there are, you can see the recent activity. It is showing that upcoming appointment, or for example, in the chat with patient, quick action. So she can click on it. He or she can click on it and check out the messages. Okay, like I have booked the appointment, or may I know your fees. This type of the messages has appeared from the patient. So doctor is replying, for instance, the fees is rupees 500. So accordingly, he or she has replied to that. And then what will happen? He or she will click on the appointment and will check out. Okay. So once the diagnosis is done for the patient, so what will happen? He or she will basically click on the appointment. So appointment is already taken care of. So accordingly, you can see the this is how it works on. So we are going back to the original app home page, and we want to show you some more hospital administrator, some more features of the hospital administrator portal. So that's why we are again logging back to the original administrator portal, and we are showing you. We want to show you some extra features, like for example, apart from the doctor management, you can check out the patient directory as well. Okay, corresponding names, email, age, other details are available. You can delete the data also. Then report and analytics, we can check out consultation, AI prediction, report generation, diagnostic trends, okay, AI prediction accuracy. So these type of the additional features has been added there in the directory, which you may visualize. Then system setting also. You can check out the different system settings. Okay, so hospital name, administrator email, data retention policy, etc. Entire detail is given there. Okay, database backup and all those things. Okay, so this is how the entire thing occurs, and also the security setting is an important two-factor authentication or password expiration, minimum password length. Okay, so that type of the options have been given there. So I hope that you got the idea how this app works. Okay, thank you for watching.